Alright guys, so we will be using AutoCAD 2014 to draw a circle by different methods. Okay, you can access circle functionality by looking into the draw panel, and there we have a circle. Okay, you can also click on the draw drop down, and there we have a functionality called circle. Okay, you can also type C in the command bar to access this functionality or to activate this command. Okay, I'll be using the command bar because this is an easy way to do it. Okay, so let's type, and before doing that, let's do some unit setup. Okay, by typing UN in the command bar, and the length type, that's going to be decimal for me, and the insertion scale is inches. Okay, and the precision, let's make that guy is that one. Okay, and click OK. All right, now to activate the circle command, just type C in the command bar and press enter. Now if you don't know what to do, just look at the command bar. AutoCAD is asking to specify the center point. So you can specify the center point of a circle by coordinates or just by clicking in the working area. Okay, so I'll click in the working area and just drag your mouse a little bit so you can see the circle is drawing. Okay, now here we have options, like we can enter the radius of a circle. Okay, let's try the radius of the circle. Okay, let's say the radius is going to be 10 units. Okay, and press enter or space, and that's the circle. Okay, you can just check that. Okay, just click on the dimension drop down, and there we have the circle. Okay, and that's of course 10 units. That means the diameter is going to be 20 now. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Okay, let's change the color, and let me try the diameter function now. Okay, you can say the option. Okay, again C space, click here to specify the center, and here now we have the option for diameter. You can click here, you can right click here. Okay, to just activate the diameter. You can also just if you again type C, click here, and you can also just type D. Okay, to activate the diameter. Okay, so these are some quick ways. D is good, so D space. That means now we can enter or specify the diameter. Okay, this time let's try diameter equals you can say 20. Okay, or let's say 30 units. Press enter, and that's the circle with 30 units diameter. Okay, you can just click annotate, and here we have dimensions, and there we have the diameter. Okay, click that, and as you can see, that's 30 units. Okay, that means the radius is going to be 15 now. Yeah, you can also access that from the dimension drop down, you can say, and here we have the diameter and then the radius. Okay, so these are two methods. Now let's try another way. Okay, again I'm going to change the color from the properties. Let's say this time this one, and again C space. Now I'm not going to specify the center point. Okay, I'm just going to type 3P. That means we gonna have to specify 3 points. Okay, so 3P space. Now as you can see, AutoCAD is asking for the first point. Okay, so you can just click here. For the second point you can click there, and the third point you can click anywhere to specify the third point. Okay, now let's just do that little bit technical. Okay, let's say we have a polygon and we have 3 number of sides, and I'm going to draw it with edge. And as you can see, let's turn the ortho on, and that's our let's say 10 units polygon. Okay, that's an equilateral triangle, and again let's say C space 3P space. Okay, let me just specify the center of each side. That's pretty amazing. Okay, you can just you have to just specify 3 points. Okay, and based on those 3 points, AutoCAD is going to draw a circle. Okay, so simple. Okay, now we also do have a 2p option there, like C space and then 2p space. Now you can just specify the first endpoint. Let's say that's first endpoint. Now it is actually just specifying the diameter by the mouse. Okay, now let's specify the second point. Okay, let's say that one. So simple. Okay, I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Okay, let's say rectangle, and then by dimensions, let's say 10 units is going to be the dimensions. Now if I want to draw a perfect circle where here inside, or you can say inscribed, you can do that by 2p, of course, like C space, 2p space, and let's say the top middle point and the bottom one. Okay, perfect. Now let's try another option. You can say TTR, or you can say tangent radius. So we have to specify 2 tangents and 1 radius. Remember, tangent is any line that's making you can say a touch with the perimeter of the circle. Okay, so that's called then a tangent, which is just then making an angle of 90 degrees with this the radius of the circle. Okay, so that means tangent means we should have 2 tangents. Let's say we have one circle here, okay, and another one there, and let's say I'm going to draw a green you can say circle touching these 2 yellow circles. Okay, so let's try C space. You can type T space, okay, to activate that functionality, tangent radius. So T space. Now it's asking to just specify the point and object for first tangent of the circle. Let's say I'm going to say this yellow circle is going to be tangent. Click that, click the next one. Now what's the radius of the circle? The circle which we are going to draw now, the green one. Okay, so I'm going to specify that by the mouse. I'm going to say from here to any point, like that point. Now that's tangent. Okay, the radius can be anything because I have specified that by the mouse, and that's a okay. Let's try again. Okay, again I'm going to have 2 you can say lines. Okay, this time let's say this one and another this one. Okay, we have these 2 lines, and I'm going to trim these by TR double space. Now I'm going to draw a circle which is going to be tangent to these 2 lines, because that's TTR. So C space, T space. Okay, just click this line and the second one, and now let's type 3 units is going to be the radius. Bam, that's done. Okay, now the radius is going to be 3 units. Let's just check that. Okay, and the diameter is going to be twice of the radius, which means 6 units. Okay, and as you can see, this circle is tangent to these 2 you can say lines. So simple. Okay, we do have another option to draw a circle. Okay, and that's called tangent and tangent. Okay, that means we should have 3 tangents. You can access that from the draw drop down, and there we have circle, and as you can see we have 10 that means tangent and tangent. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's say we have a line, this one this one, and let's say we have this triangle. Okay, and I'm going to draw a yellow circle. Okay, so just click on the draw drop down, we have circle, and click on the 10 and now specify each tangent. Okay, let's click on the first line, the second line, and the third one. Perfect. Okay, AutoCAD is going to draw a circle tangent to each line. Okay, let's try this again. Let's say we have one circle here, one here, and another one there, and I'm going to draw a red this time. Okay, bilayer is okay. Let's try. Okay, just go to the draw circle, and we gonna just click this one. Okay, tangent and tangent. Okay, let's click this one, this circle, and this one. That's perfect. Okay, last try. Let's say we have a rectangle, okay, and I'm going to draw an arc over here, okay, just equal to the diameter of this guy. Okay, so again to draw, and there we have tangent. Let's try this and that one. That's amazing. Okay, you can do anything with it. Okay, so this is how we can draw a circle by different methods. Okay, by radius, by diameter, and by 2 points, 3 points, tangent, which are almost 6 methods. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video.